Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add your Stan Store to TikTok. So first, you will have to open your TikTok account and then you will have to go to your profile and then you will click edit profile, which is right here. And by the way, if you cannot see the website field, then you must go to your phone version application so that you will be able to see the website field. And yeah, once you see the website field, all you have to do is just paste your Stan Store URL if you do have one already, and then you will just have to click save, which is right here, or confirm. And now when people visit your TikTok profile, they will just see a clickable link that opens your Stan Store. And by the way, if you don't see the website option, then you will have to switch to a TikTok business account because that unlocks the link feature. And yeah, if your screen looks different, by the way, look for profile and then look for edit and then add website. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.